Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the discover section on the Perplexity. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Perplexity app here. And after opening that, we need to go to the discover section. As you can see, now we are here. We have to go to this discover section. And after that, as you can see now, the top stories are also provided here. You can check it out. These all type of stories. If you want to go to the finance section, you can also go to the finance section. You will get all details about the finance section. You can learn from them. If you want to go to the about tech and science, you need to click on the tech and science as well. And other groups are also provided here, like the art and culture. You can check it out. These, for example, I'm going to open this one, a largest ever exhibition of the Diana Abbas photos. So you can check it out. These all type of details. So you can discover a lot here. You can discover about the finance, about the art and culture, about the sports, entertainment, all type of discoveries you will find here. So in this way, you can use the discover option on the Perplexity app, and I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.